Log into your student housing portal using your Ole Miss web ID and password. Click the 2022-2023 freshman application. Determine which application you need and hit apply. Read through the application information and then hit continue. Read through the 2022-2023 student housing contract. And then if you are under the age of 19, please have a parent or guardian sign as well as yourself. Next, please acknowledge that you have read through university policies by using your student ID number. Next, take some time filling out your profile, answering personal information and roommate preferences. You can add a new social media profile there at the bottom and hit save and continue. This next page is roommate request and confirm. Please feel free to read through this. If you at some point find a roommate you would like to match with or have one now, please use those tools at the bottom to go ahead and request and confirm them. Then hit save and continue. This next page is information on our residential colleges. Feel free to read through that and look at where you are able to apply if you're interested in those communities. And then at the bottom again, hit continue. This next page explains what's next and how Part 2 of the student housing application works. Please read that through so you have an understanding and hit continue. This will bring you back to the first page of the application. As you can see, all the bubbles up top are checked and you have completed Part 1. Once you see that, you are free to log out. And if you have any questions, give us a call.